Grade 5. 5. O, grade 5. Yung grade 5, dito ilagay. O, grade 5. Grade 5 yan na, grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5 ba? Grade 5. Yan, green, grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5 yan, grade 5. Grade 5. Ah, grade 5. Grade 5 lang, grade 5 lang muna. Sabi lang yung grade 6. Grade 5. Okay, grade 5. Grade 5 lang. Grade 5 lang. Oh, grade 5, grade 5. Grade 5, ha? Grade 5 lang, grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5. Ayun, grade 6 mo sa kanya. Grade 5, grade 5. Grade 5 lang, grade 5. 5. 5 ha, 5 lang. Grade 5, grade 5. Grade 5. 5 lahat yan, 5. 5. Ayun, 5. Grade 5, grade 5. Yung 6 yun doon, yung 6. Grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5 yan, grade 5, grade 5. Yes. Grade 5 ha. Grade 5, grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5. Grade 5. Ay, grade 5, grade 5. Grade 5 o grade 5? Ha? Sobra? Grade 5, grade 5. Grade 5 ha, grade 5. Grade 5 yan, grade 5. Okay na, okay na, okay na. Okay na. Okay.